Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah. If you're new here, hello, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Alright, in this video I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm for June. So if you're interested, keep watching. Alright guys, this is my Boxycharm for June. Let's open her up. This is the Lux box for June. And let's see what we get. We did get a card. It says Boxycharm Lux 2022. This is my box number if you are interested. And let's get to it. The first thing I pick up is from Day Cactus Flower Leave-In Conditioner. Heat protects up to 450 degrees. It calms, frizz, softens, and hydrates, and protects hair from breakage. That is very interesting. I have not tried this brand before. Have you tried it? It says Day Cactus Flower Leave-In Conditioner. This conditioner may provide heat protection up to 450 degrees, but it's carefully formulated for more than just that. The botanical blend also prevents breakage, repairs damage, enhances shine, and increases softness. Plus, it carries Day's signature citrus scent, aka smells heavenly. The MSRP for this item is $26. I have to smell it now. So it's open. Ooh, it does. It smells good. It does. It has like a real soft citrus, like kind of like a vanilla scent. Ooh, it smells really good. I can't wait to try this. I don't really put heat on my hair, but if it calms frizz and it protects hair from breakage, nice. Sounds really nice. And I haven't tried that brand, so I am so interested because I love trying new brands. Let's see. The next thing I pick up is from Keys. So I did get something from Boxycharm in my previous box, and it was a new release from Keys. This is Alicia Keys' new brand. If you don't know her, she's a music artist, and she started her own makeup line or skincare line, because the last thing I got was her blush. It was a cream blush. So this says Let Me Glow Illuminating Serum. So let's see what this says. It says Keys Soul Care Let Me Glow Illuminating Primer Serum with Niacinamide. A hydrating, illuminating complexion and makeup priming serum that reveals a healthy golden glow while helping brighten, plump, and smooth the look of your skin. The MSRP for this item is $26. So let's see, let's open it up and see what it looks like, because I will be trying it. I have not tried and I'm interested in trying. Ooh, look how luxe the packaging is. It's a glass bottle. It comes with a pump. Let's see. Ooh. It has a, I don't know, like an orangey scent. It did give a nice glow to the hand. Not too dewy, just a really, really like natural glow. That's what I'm seeing. I can't wait to try this product. I haven't tried the cheek product that I received, but I can't wait to try that one also. Alright, so the next thing I pick up is from Elemis. This is the Superfood Midnight Facial. Elemis really does have good skincare. So it says, this is a prebiotic overnight sleeping cream that leaves dry, thirsty skin feeling silky soft, radiant, and replenishes with moisture upon waking. Infused with superfoods, camu, banana flower, and cocoa nib extract, this vitamin and mineral rich formula nourishes the skin and minimizes visible signs of fatigue. The MSRP for this item is $50. I haven't tried this. I don't know if this is new from Elemis, because I haven't tried this. This is a midnight facial. So this is a sleeping cream. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells like candy. It smells sweet. So I can't wait to try that. And I will be trying it. let's see what we get next. I pick up, this is from UB Limited Collection B. 3 full size and 3 mini makeup blenders. This is a UB Beauty BU Limited Collection. The BU collection includes 3 full size and 3 mini antibacterial blenders to keep your skin cleaner and prettier by preventing bacteria growth throughout. The cloud-like texture sets your makeup in the softest, most effortless way while also preserving your costly creams, liquids, and powders. Developed in support and solidarity with the LGBTQ plus community, where you can always be proud to be you. That's nice. The MSRP for this item is $65. $65, girl. Oh, it comes with different little blenders. Those are so nice. Look at the little tiny ones. I love those. I give some to my daughter. So it does come with a bunch of different blenders. That's nice. Let's see. Let's open one up and feel it. So if you watch my routine, I do not wet my blender. And I do not use blender to apply any kind of product. But I do have a certain step that I'll use a blender for. Ooh, I like this. It's pretty soft. It's not too hard. Oh, look. It's got a little peace symbol on there with a heart. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, they all have that. Even the mini one. The mini one's got it. That's so cute. I like that. Look how cute. That is so cute. The little baby blender. Too cute. Always need blenders in my collection. So I am not mad at that. I'm pretty enjoying that also. Let's see. The next thing I pick up is from NARS. This one is the Lipstick Rouge and Impulse. Is their satin lipstick and Impulse. Ooh, I love my NARS. I love my NARS. Alright, so this says NARS Iconic Lipstick. It is no rules, just lips. A new formula, dynamic blend of moringa and passion fruit seed oils enhances color vibrancy, conditions lips for radically lightweight wear, and unprecedented feel. Endless artistry, infinite expression. The MSRP for this item is $26. Let's check it out. The packaging is so NARS. It's like real soft. Black, sleek. Ooh, look at that color. So this is what it looks like on the box. And then this is what is in here. Ooh, look at that's that that illuminating primer. So let's go down here with it. Ooh. Look at that color. It's like plum. Ooh, it's so pretty. I can't wait to try this color. I love NARS lipsticks. So nice. And it's nice to get one in the box because they're pretty expensive. $26. So that's nice. That's nice. Let's see. The next thing I pick up. What else we have up in here? Ooh, we have a big palette. This says Cotton Candy Champagne. Oh, from Beauty Bakery. That's nice. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. It's in bubble wrap, which is really nice. I gotta give it to Boxy. They really did look like they wrapped stuff a little bit better this time than I received last time. Has a lot more paper, and this was actually wrapped separately in a bubble wrap, so that's really nice. This is the Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Lighter Palette. That's a lot. Let's see what it says. It says Beauty Bakery Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Palette. Toast to good times and major sweet cheeks with 4 rose flush shades. These matte and metallic sheens will leave you feeling light and bubbly. So celebrate with a second serving of the Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Palette. The MSRP for this item is $38. Let's open her up. I can't wait to see what it... Oh, so it's like a magnet that clips. And then it opens up into this. Oh, so they have a smaller palette inside of this. This is too cute. Too cute. So this is the actual palette itself. I was like, that is a big palette for that price. Ooh, these are those like blush lighters. This is like in Toasting to the Sweet Life. I was trying to see if it smelled like cotton candy. That is so pretty. So that's what's really in right now, like these blushes that's like highlighter / blush. So let's swatch some. Ooh, that is so pretty. Ooh, let's swatch them all. Oh, I like this. Soft formula. Really went on smooth. Look at that. That is so pretty. I love it. I can't wait to try it. Can't wait to try this palette. I don't know why it came in this big thing, but it did. It did seem like it was a little excessive, but the next thing I pick up is from Patrick Ta. I don't have too many products from Patrick Ta. I'm kind of like, because it's really like on that higher range, so I'm like, do I really want to try it? Is it worth trying it? I don't know. But it's nice to get something in. Oh, and look what it says. She's expensive. He's definitely expensive. Patrick Ta. Let's see what this is. This is in Pearl Lip Shine. It's a Major Glow Lip Shine. Ooh, that's so pretty. Let's see, this says Patrick Ta Beauty Major Glow Lip Shine, a universally flattering high shine lip gloss with the cushion and slip of a lip balm for zero stickiness, all shine. Ooh, I don't like stickiness. The MSRP for this item is $22, so that's not that bad. So let's see what it looks like. Let me try it. I have to try it. So it just looks like a really clear, kind of shiny gloss. It smells like peppermint. It feels like a lip oil, but a little thicker. Now it does feel very, very sticky. It says that it's not sticky, but it does feel sticky, but I did put it over other products. Okay, so it's drying down a little bit, but it still feels sticky, tacky. Yeah, it does feel sticky and tacky. I'm gonna have to try it some more, because it does feel like it is drying down. I don't know. Let's finish wearing it through this video and I'll see how it feels. The next item and the last item in this box is from Elemis. This is the Clarifying Clay Wash. This says it's a deeply cleanse pores and reduce the look of blemishes with this purifying facial wash. Specifically formulated for oily or blemish-prone skin, the non-drying formula is infused with kaolin clay to lift away excess oils and daily impurities. Hawthorn extract to help leave the skin feeling soothed, and Boldo leaf extract to improve the look of skin clarity. This balancing cleanser also helps to visually improve the look of skin texture while minimizing the look of blackheads and post-blemish discoloration. Gentle enough for daily use, it leaves skin looking clearer, less oily, and more even with every wash. The MSRP for this item is $49. Let's see what it looks like, because I haven't tried this product either. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It just is a cream clay wash. I can't wait to try it. I will let you know. I am going to start doing a monthly video of things that I've tried like previous month. I'm going to do that. So I'm going to put these, like, set it aside, because even though this might not came out this month, this is a product that I hauled in this month, and I will keep this to the side, and I'm going to start rolling those videos in soon. Alright, let's see. Let's add everything up and see what we get. So first we got the Beauty Bakery Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Palette, which is $38. Then we got the Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial, which was $50. Then we got the NARS Iconic Lipstick, which was $26. And then we got the Elemis Clarifying Clay Wash, which was $49. We got the Key Soul Care Let Me Glow Illuminating Priming Serum with Niacinamide. That was $26. And then we got the Patrick Ta Beauty Made You Glow Lip Oil, which was $22. And then the Day Cactus Flower Leave-In Conditioner, which was $26. And then the You've Beauty BU Limited Collection, which was $65. And the total of this box is $302. Let me know what y'all think. If you got Boxycharm, did we get any of the same products? Let me know below. Let's talk about it. Alright guys. Ooh, this oil. It doesn't feel sticky anymore. So as it sat on my lips, it dried down and it's not sticky anymore. I mean, it's a little bit sticky, but that's because of the lipstick I have on, because it's more of a satin finish lipstick. But it feels good. It's not really tacky. I don't feel any stickiness. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, stay blessed.